Hey everyone, so I just want to share a Canva tip with you. So I'm making some coloring pages and some of them kind of were cut off. So I took them to Canva and I am going to show you how we can, if this ever happens to you. Let's see here. This is the one. I'm just going to plop that in there like that, make it a little bigger right there. I'm going to go over to the floating menu and I'm going to put edit, and I will have to say this before I go any further. This is a pro feature, okay? So just to let you know. So edit, and then I'm going to go all the way to the end where it says magic expand. And then I'm just going to go, you could do the whole page or just one-on-one. I just needed to go out. So I'm just going to do the one-on-one, expand, and then hopefully it will give us, and it gives us 4 of them, but I'm hoping that it just expands the little outer. Okay, so there's that one. Let me look at this one. Okay, so see how it did that? They're very tiny little edits, but this one's good. Okay, and then I can use that for the coloring page. I just need to do background remover. And there we go. Okay, so I was able to fix it and it looks pretty good. So there you go, a little edit. Anything that's ever like cut off, just go to click, edit, Magic Studio, and go all the way to the end where it says Magic Expand. Okay? Thank you very much.